Number 8, I wrote here, minimize drama in your life. So have like fewer arguments with the people in your life, have fewer arguments with your parents, have fewer arguments with your siblings, with your friends. Just cut out anything that's really unnecessary. If there's a fight you're trying to bring out or whatever, just hold on to it until exams are done. Like this is the one time where you really don't want unnecessary drama. If you're planning on breaking up with someone, I don't know, man. This one is tricky. Eh? Just wait until exams are done. You can just like distance yourself a little bit, né? But don't do too many things right now that are just gonna be unnecessarily dramatic. You understand? If there's that one person in school that doesn't like you, just pretend they don't exist for a bit, because you really don't want that kind of thing during exams. It's really gonna stress you, and the next thing you know, you're failing, but it's not because you don't know your work, it's because your brain is just thinking of that thing. So yeah.